Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be making these delicious chops. These chops are gonna be extremely delicious, tender and very crispy. You're going to really love it. Just see how thin they are. See how thin and fine these chops are. These are perfect for making a very crispy, tender and delicious chops. First, for this you'll be needing 600 grams of ribs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of red color, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoon chicken tikka powder, and half teaspoon turmeric. First, I'll be adding all the ingredients into the ribs, and I will give it a good mix until they completely cover each piece of the meat. All of them should be thoroughly covered, as it will give the chops a very good taste. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt and again give it a good mix until it's all covered. And after that, we must marinate the meat for half an hour to 2 hours. Let's ready our oil to fry our chops. The oil is hot enough, and let's fry them. They already look so good. I can't wait to eat them. Well, they are done. They look absolutely delicious and stunning. And it's finally done. Now, we are ready to eat it and devour this delicious meat. I can't wait to show you how tender and crispy it is. Now I'll just, break it and I'll show it to you. There you go, look at that. It's really crispy and tender. It really smells amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye.